We are at 16 Winlow Court, Randallstown, Maryland. We're going to be doing a repair on the back slope. Here is the shingle that we're replacing under the yellow box, or within the yellow box. So we will be having to manipulate two shingles above in order to release and replace the shingle below. Right there. Okay, as you can see, we are only lifting it up about 1.5 inches at this point. Way less than 45 degrees. 45 would be up to 5 inches on a 5-inch exposed shingle. Granular displacement as he's lifting. Okay, got the shingle out. Let me hold up. All right, take a look real quick before we put the shingle back in. Okay, just by lifting, you can see some scarring already, creasing, some granular loss through there. Now we're going to, let me get set down first, install the new shingle. Stubborn. Got it. Okay, finished replacing the shingle. Look carefully, you can see some granular loss, some creasing right through here, creasing across this, and some creasing in here, a little bit up above. Because of that, because the granular loss is coming off with creasing, this would be damaged and is going to need to be replaced as well. The granular loss actually exposes the fibers and the asphalt to future UV damage to where it's going to deteriorate it rapidly. And because of that, this would be considered a fail. Requiring a full replacement.